This is coming to you directly from the Brock Television Studios here in Crystal Lake, Illinois. This is the first opportunity I've had to give you a quasi in-person greeting, so I would say to you, Happy New Year. And later on in the tape, I will also give you an idea of the amount and the intensity of the snow that we've received here this winter. And there'll be a small blurb on the end which will show you the snow piles that we have all around Brock. First item, Burnaby, Brazil. Would you telex me as soon as you can all of the names that you know at Burnaby, Brazil, plus their titles? I want to do this because what I will do is I'm going to contact Burnaby, Brazil in person after I arrive in Brazil. I do not wish to go through Burnaby, Norwalk at this time. I can go through Burnaby, Norwalk as the next phase, but not at this particular point. And then if you know any other South American Burnaby or other connector company people, please give me their names and their titles also, because I want to be in contact with them. And if you could, let me know before the 15th of March, so I can make my plans accordingly, because I will be leaving on the 21st of March, and I will not be in touch with you, or able to be in touch with you other than through the office as a intermediary. Also, in reference to Burnaby, could you give me the present status of DeCarlo? What is he doing? Has he found another job? And what kind of a relationship can we or have we set up with him? Okay, next item. Hanover. Gail is back in college this year, so she will not be with me as in the past. And we are combining two things. Jim Wyckoff will be going to their grand opening of their fin power factory in Harma the week of 9 April. So what we're going to do is combine that opening, which I will be coming there from South America, in one trip. And we plan on being at the house in Hanover on the 18th, I believe. It'll be either the 17th or 18th, and I can verify that by telex to you a little later. However, I will telephone you the week of the 9th, so that you will have the exact details and we'll both know what's going on. And also, the double room with the two beds is okay, the same as it was last year. Now, this year, Hanover is a hydraulic show, so we'll be very busy because it's difficult in the years when the hydraulics people are there to cover that in the allotted time that they have for the show. So what I think we should do is probably touch base on the telephone when I call you as to what kind of strategy we should pursue for coverage at the show. I'm sure that your main interest will be in the connector area, and our main interest will be in both the connector and in the other hydraulics and related areas. And then I would also like from you a letter sometime between now and the 15th of March indicating to me who from the various connector companies will be present at the Hanover show, and who will you and I want to contact while we're at the show, and what will we accomplish with each one. The main thing I'm trying to do there is to allocate enough time so that we do not find ourselves running around in the last 2 days, or in the first 3, or whatever the case might be. I'd rather do it on an even pace basis so we can get maximum utilization out of the visit. So now we'll go on to the last subject that I have, and that's the 5 tools that we shipped you this last week. The first thing is that we had a 1-day snow delay, which we were unaware of until Wednesday. It seems that New York received like 15 inches of new fresh snow, and it tended to screw things up. So there was a delay of a day, as we understand it. Maybe there was more, we're not sure. 1 day is all we were told. Secondly, all tools will be shipped with a gray case, and the gray case is a quote-unquote compromise case between all of the 12-ton tools, so that all future shipments that you will receive for any customers in Europe will have the gray case, unless you specify that gray case should be painted a different color. But the size is what we're trying to convey to you, so it will be the same for the 12 HHT as it is for the Y35. Okay, Peter, what we've done on the tools that you have received, We are going to have some changes, and I mentioned a couple of them in the telex that I sent to you, but I'll show you now on this diagram exactly what we're in the process of doing. This rubber bolting that we use for this piece right here will no longer have the ends of the pins exposed. We did that initially because we thought that would be the best way to make that piece, but we've since found out that no, we don't think that will be good, because what will happen is that with the exposed ends will get dirt and things like that in there, and that's not a good idea. Additionally, we're going to have a little additional rubber covering tighter around this area here, and this piece will be black oxided. You can't see it entirely, but it's the pivot point for this pin. Now, what happened on these first tools is that these two pivot pins plus the bushings that were in there were supposedly graphite impregnated. However, something went wrong. They did not do it correctly. So the units that you have received have to be lubricated in this area probably after a year or so. But I don't think I would make any mention of that unless it comes up a year from now, because it isn't going to drag or hurt the productivity of the tool. The tool is still a good tool. Now, in addition to that, the fiberglass handles that you've received, the samples that you've received, are the colors that you should have them right now. So if there's any change in colors, we need quite a bit of additional notice on that. So please, keep us in mind. Okay. Also, we are putting effort into getting the colors on stream under our original estimate of late this year. And as it stands right now, Peter, we should be in position with the cutting tools sometime this fall, so that we can go after that piece of business too, and we can keep Izumi out of the European market as we will here in the United States. That's basically all I have to cover in relation to those three subjects. Now, one of the things that I want to do that we have not done up to now, because we only had one connector left, one Stocko connector, and I would think that we should have some more of those to do testing just in case that there's a question that comes up with Stocko. But we are going to now crimp the connector that you sent us, one of the connectors you sent. So it will be very interesting to see how many strokes it will take. Okay, so I will walk over now and get the tool ready. Here, what I've done here is I've positioned the connector in place, as you can see. Okay, you see my finger through there. And I'm just inserting a wire now in the back here. Yeah, it's quite a bit more loose than it will be in a couple of minutes, but it'll be kind of interesting to see here how many strokes this will take. And I'm now up against the connector, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35. And I'm just about ready to have a heart attack. I'm not used to that kind of strenuous activity. So as you can see here, we have not only accomplished what we originally set out to do, but we have beaten the parameter, the design parameter that was set by either yourself or Stocko. Zoom in on this, would you please? Okay, how is that for, is that a good curve, you think? Okay, very good, Peter. Now I'll take it outside, and I will get a little bit of the snow for you. I hope that this tape arrives to you and you're in good health, and I look forward to seeing you in a month or so. Month and a half. inside the building, you can see as far as the top of the windows. Well, as you can see here, that's not like we have any ground. And it is definitely less than 1.5 meters. All on this side, we have chicken. These piles are somewhere 8 to 10 feet. So I just got to